Writing, Unit 7, Lesson 1. I can base ideas for memoirs on moments with people that impacted my life. We're going to create a T-chart. The left column is going to be people that impacted me, and we're going to put a list of people that have impacted you for different reasons. And then in the right column, we're going to title it Important Lessons Learned in These Moments. And we're going to put those life-changing moments with these people and what lesson you learned from or with that person. Please copy this chart and make sure you click pause until you have finished the title of people that impacted me on the left and important lessons learned in these moments on the right. So here's an example of my T-chart. So the people that impacted me would be like my grandpa Dre, and what he did is he always helped those who need it and aren't in as good health as yourself. Coach Bowman from volleyball told me that hard work pays off even if it takes years. Coach McInnes, my strength and conditioning teacher, taught me that whether you feel like it in the moment, working out makes you feel better afterwards. Dr. White, my science professor, taught me science isn't as intimidating if you have the right teacher and present it in the correct way. My grandmother Dre, family comes first. My Aunt Diane, life goes on even after the death of a loved one. My grandma Betty, don't push your family away. You never know when you'll need them in your weakest moments. And Mickey, always look for the positive. So these are examples of the people that impacted me and those lessons I learned from each one of them. Now do that for your people that are important to you and what lessons you've learned for them. Good luck!